Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to book a driving theory test in UK. So friends, all you have to do, go to this website gov.uk, search this one, book driving, and then scroll down, click on this first one. This is book your theory test. Scroll down, click, you should be right and read all the terms and conditions here. Click start now. When you click start now, you will see this page. All you have to do, you should be, if you have a support of your theory test, if you need the support, this one, click yes or no, and then click continue this option. After that, write your last name, for example, this name from Jonas, and then write your middle name, the name from here as from driving, sure, and then complete the steps. This is how you can do to book your theory test. These easy steps, friends. Just go to this website and click start now. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this